Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can easily add your photos on your Tinder app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and just let's get started. The first thing that you will do is simply go to your Tinder app, make sure it is updated and you have logged in with the correct ID where you would like to add your photos or change your photos. Once your app is open, then you will see this profile icon below right corner. Tap on it, and here you will see this little pencil icon on your profile. Simply tap on that. And as you can see, the first thing is only at the photos section. It's called media, where you will see this option called add media, or you can see this plus buttons over here. If you simply tap on that, and here you can simply tap on this upload photo, and here you can see that all the photos will just pop up over here. You can choose any of the photos, then your photo will appear over here. What you can set however you would like to, and once you're done with your photo, simply tap on this next option. As you can see, the photo is uploaded over there. Yeah, this is how you can add a photo over there. And yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.